Everybody, welcome to a video. My name is Hostner King. I also go by Vex to Dante, and I would like to show you where the mining legendary vendor is now in Wastelanders. So if you played the vanilla game, you once knew that he was here at Berkeley Springs Station. I'll show you on the map real quick. It was this location right here. However, if you walk in here now, he's gone. The door is open. And you'll find a pickaxe here and a newspaper that says the rusty pickaxe is now reopened. So if you don't know where that is, I will show you real quick. So if we bring up the map and go towards the lower left, you'll see this red bridge thing. And actually right here in this two house kind of icon is the rusty pick. So if we fast travel over there, we will see the new location for the legendary Mo miner. Which, if you don't know, the legendary miner is a really good way to get 3-star legendary weapons and armor and stuff. And it's also where you can use your legendary currency from when you throw a legendary item in the vending machine. If you are new to Fallout 76, this is something that will be extremely helpful for you later on. It is RNG, so if you say you want a weapon, it will give you a random weapon, and depending on how much you pay, it's a 1-star, 2-star, or 3-star item. 3 stars are always the best items. You might get, if you want a specific thing, you should go to vendors, like actual other players selling stuff, and that's how you get like a specific item. But this could work good if you get a lot of legendary stuff, or if you're doing a lot of grinding. Okay, so right here you'll see this place is opened up. The rusty pick over here in Fallout 76 Wastelanders. So let's go ahead and enter this. And it's loading because it's Fallout 76. And it takes forever. We're almost there, guys. At least it's not as bad as Grand Theft Auto 5 Online. Alright guys, so it's kind of updated now. Pretty cool. He's got like his own little setup now. So this is the miner right here you want to talk to. There is the vending machine back outside. Hello guy. Now if you go over here and you hit trade with Purveyor, you'll see over here on the right a legendary module. That gives you like a mod that is a legendary thing. You can equip it to whatever. Vault Steel Scrap. Don't know what that is. You can get a 1-star legendary armor for 15. I think it's called legendary scrap. And then 25 for melee. And then 25 for range. Then you got 30 for 2-star armor. 50 for 2-star ranged and melee. And then you got 60 for a 3-star armor piece. And then you got 3-star for a melee and ranged. So these can come up with all kinds of stuff. So I've got 76 down on the bottom left. You can see across from the weight. That's how much I currently have. And then on top you can see my inventory of my actual legendary gear that I am rocking. So if we go over here and let's say we want a legendary armor piece, 3-star. It's not worth buying the cheaper ones unless you want to do the modules. That might be pretty good. But as you can see where it says 10, you are limited to 10 a day. And then it resets after 24 hours of you using it. So let's go ahead and get a 3-star legendary armor piece. You guys have to like the bio. Alright, so it gave us a Pioneer's Forest Scout armor chest piece for 3-star. 15% less damage from robots, 25% poison resistance, and 50% more durability than normal. Those are 3 legendary effects, as you can see right underneath the name. This is a good piece of armor. You know, it's got 60 damage resistance, 25 poison, and then 40 energy. So it's pretty good. It is an armor piece. And then let's go ahead and back out there. Now I don't know if this guy has an actual workbench or anything in here. What's that? I want to use the fortune teller. Okay, so he's got a tinker workshop. That's not exactly what we were looking for. No, that's not gonna help us at all. Does he have anything over here? No, but it is nice that he actually has this in here. That vending machine. Okay, so he does have some stuff in here. He has a chemistry workbench. He has an armor thing. That's what we actually need. So... Is that a fedora? Okay, we're taking that. Cool. So this guy actually has a pretty big spot. Alright, so let's go over here to our armor workbench. So the way that you get more stuff to like modify is you have to have like, say if you get leather chest pieces. If you destroy leather chest pieces enough, you have a chance to get a mod for it. So if I go to modify, you can see right here, I have standard or I have boiled leather. You can also buy these plans. And you know, I got deep pocketed, that gives me, you know, plus 10 carry weight, which is amazing. Now if we go over here to our new chest piece, we'll go ahead and click on that. We can see I don't have any mod spots for it. I don't have anything for misc, and I have no paint jobs for it. So if I go over to my chest, you can see, okay, blend in with the environment, stinking, not moving. That doesn't really matter, but it gives me plus 10 carry weight, 33.91. Over here, this is better. But if you, say if you didn't want to use it, right? Because you wanted something else. If you go right up here, you'll see he has a vending machine in here. And this legendary exchange vending machine is where you hit use. And now, say if you don't want this chest piece, that the 3-star that you just got, if you try to sell it, it'll give you 24 legendary scrap for that chest piece. You know, that's pretty good. We spent 50 on it. So, say if I got that 24, then I would have 40 scrap in total. I would almost be able to buy another one for 10. Or a legendary module for 10 more scrap after that. But I think I'm going to keep this for right now. 5 weight, 6 weight. Okay, so it actually weighs less, but I'll be losing 10 weight. So that makes me go down to 300, which for the resistance probably isn't that bad. So I'm going to actually go ahead and sell my 1-star for 3. So usually a 1-star will give you either 3 or 6. 2 stars might give you around 9. And then a 3-star will give you anywhere from, depending on how good it is. So we're going to go ahead and give him my chest piece. So we're going to sell the favorite item. Alright, so we got that. Let's go over here and let's go ahead and equip our new chest piece. So it's pretty good. You can't see it because I've got this gear and a slave collar on. But that's about it. You got a stash in here in case you need it. So this is his new location. I like it a little bit better. It's got a lot more options in here other than just the gas station. Although I want to see what the fortune teller thing is. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed. And if you liked, go ahead and subscribe. It helped me out a lot. Let me know if you need more tutorials or guides like this one. I will definitely do it in the future. This is actually something that I was curious about because I did not know that he moved for Wastelanders until about 10 minutes ago. And trying to find this guy isn't the easiest thing on Google because it brings up a bunch of the non-Wastelanders updates. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you next time. Don't forget to game like a god. See ya.